Hello everyone, welcome to CPay. We want to revolutionize the way which the payment process is happening now. You all know we do the payment with a bit of doubt in our mind always. After doing the payment transaction, we always cross check it whether that was successful or not, and we even talk to the other side whether you have successfully received the payment. So this is what happening now. We want to change this process completely. Using the UPI APIs, we want to revolutionize the way which the payment is happening now. So we have developed a mobile application that is pretty easy to use. Both the parties will get instant updates of a payment transaction, like it started from initiated, the amount has been credited, debited, and it is successful. So those kind of status, both the parties will get instantly. For example, I have started a payment process. The other party, the other side, will get instant notification saying that I have started the payment transaction, and both of us will be updated about what's the state of the payment transaction right now. We also have some other useful features like reminders, so that you don't have to remember what payment you have to make in the future. So the app will take care of that. But that's not a surprise. The USP of CPay is none of these. Then what's it?
CPay is chat and pay. Yes, now users can pay just like their chat. No complexities involved, but CPay is well secured at both client and server. All debits are initiated only after successful authentication from payer. But believe us, it's just a piece of cake. CPay also offers a few more unique features such as reminders.
Let's see the demo now. Venkat and Winston are friends. They both have CPay app installed and registered to it. Let's see their chat. See how quickly Winston has initiated the transaction. Now both users will see the instant update to the payment transaction status. Yes, that was really quick. Now, Winston has paid 500 rupees to Venkat. Now he also have to remember that another 500 has to give after 1 week. Now let's see how CPay helps here. Yes, this remember me option helps Winston to easily create a reminder. Done. Now see another scenario. Venkat has created a few reminders. Now it's time for him to see that. He got a notification, tap on it, directly gets into the chat page, and the amount is pre-populated. He just had to click pay. And of course, the credentials is required, the MPIN is required. Done. The time moves on and 1 week is over. Now Vince should get a notification on paying the remaining amount to Venkat. So easy. There is nothing complicated to remember about anything. Thank you.
We dream of developing an application which users will be addicted to use. We also wanted to develop an application in such a way that payment process will be hassle-free action. We also dream of making the app so personalized by creating rules such as reminders, payment limit, autopay, etc. End user or merchant can use this app in whatever way they like. For example, merchants can send promotional offers or coupons to its customers by simply sending text or images.
On the technology side, we used WebSockets and HTTPS. So the connections between client and server and between PSP and the UPI is always in a secured mode. And we used iOS for mobile app development. It's an iOS application, and we used Node.js and Express.js and MongoDB for server-side development. We have many plans to improvise this idea. For example, easy transfer of the virtual payment address by bringing two devices close together, and it's automatically transferred using BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. And other idea is the support for feature phones using USSD. Though without chat, they can just enter the MPIN and the amount, so it's automatically transferred. So that's another idea. And another interesting idea that we have in our mind is using POS. So if you're going to shop and there is no connectivity there, you can still do the same operations in your mobile device, and the POS which is there in the shop will enable you with the BLE and the internet. So this will support the offline payment as well. Then spam detection. So we have so many ideas to improvise this. We all look forward to do the next big thing. Thank you.